The 1965 Rambler Marlin Fastback, Antigua Red and black over black. This is a cool looking car.
I love these. Yeah, these are really
Me too.
91,521 actual miles. Very well restored. 287 cubic inch V8. Flight-o-matic.
Okay.
Like a prison brake. 3-speed automatic. Leather interior, and this is a great cruiser. Hey, leather interior. And
it's got black leather with red piping. It's beautiful. Beautifully done.
Really nicely done. If you get a chance, check that out and all the others too.